you today.
Well, Jamaica is a little paradise.
The best thing of Jamaica is their people.
Jamaica is the biggest little country in the world.
What I love more in Jamaica is the reggae music.
You don't need special machine to get you cool or how you need to be. Everything is natural in Jamaica.
Forces up well. Richard Thompson is ahead of the field. Ball come forward. He steps on the accelerator. Usain Bolt makes it look easy. 9:68, a new world record. Oh my goodness! What a champion performance from Usain Bolt!
Yeah, this is Oliver, the chef. We don't make animal, we make healthy food that we can strong in Jamaica.
We are natural, you know. So that's why we Jamaicans are so strong to run, you know. And we eat good things, you know.
Pine, melon, tomato, and carrot.
That's the power, that's what it's all about, you know. The food and energy that we have down here in Jamaica.
This pump machine, this Pepsi and this soda is not good for you.
No Burger King or no McDonald's or no fried chicken.
That's why you see Bolt is so strong.
I don't really have a favorite food, really. I just eat pretty much anything, really. And love hot things, KFC.
No linger, no linger, no linger, no linger.
I think that God made all of us unique, and all of us are good at some things. Like the Swiss make the best watches, China, best in industry. Everybody's good at something. And so although when we are bad, we are bad. And when we are good, we are very good.
We like gold in Jamaica, yeah. Yeah, we like gold. We run for gold, anything. You see this? Natural gold, yeah.
Has no equal in world sprinting. Look at the 21-year-old goal. 19.31.
One to the mice. Everything music everybody want dance. Mr. Wacky and the teacher about ice. I bust a piece here, everybody in the street and dosa. Do the goalie creeper. People who no see ya, you senora, senorita. Walk out when you hear the beat, ya white name. Goalie creeper.
I think dance, feel good is all a part of Jamaican culture.
Who are your favorite artists?
Vibes Cartel, my favorite artist.
Yeah man, it's a great feeling to know that, you know what I mean, we share the same respect because Bolt is my favorite athlete.
Jamaica is a place where you got music and sport, you know. It mixed together down here.
Like a lipstick wall, white for me name like a biscuit wall. If I tell the fact this is not kids war, run up in a me gonna boy face pan car. Let me tell you something more real killer, real killer. I'm chatting with a real enough, me down some guy, and them more real enough, get out. Real killer, don't just let it
This is Chi-Ching Ching speaking, and I've got diamonds and pearl for Beijing. Chi-Ching Ching!
All who have problem with crime and violence, come out and meet the Honorable Minister of Security and Justice tonight at 18 Avon Park presents 6 p.m. You're all invited.
That's the to every block, every streets, every gully side, every community, every garrison, no worry.
When I grow up, I want to be a criminal lawyer. Because my father never have a good lawyer, that's why I'm going to jail. And them kill my brother by a gun. And them kill my sister named Brandy. And them kill my brother because I just go buy one gun. And them rob him and take away a gun from him and kill him. But I know who do it. But anytime I get a gun, I go kill them back.
And even if we left the gully, I'll be going back. Yeah. You see, even if we left the gully, don't worry. Retaliation in our way. Don't worry. You see, even if we left the gully.
This is Kingston 13. As people always say, it's a violence area. I want them to know that good things always come from the ghetto.
Me no gone nowhere. Don't worry. God is only a man. Don't worry.
I knew my name from a little girl, from a baby.
Well, she started very early in her running. From age 3. She been running.
And so we are very proud that children of parents who are from humble beginnings are now making it big internationally as our sporting stars.
If Jamaica lose, I'm happy. If Jamaica win, I'm happy. Because I have experience of the game.
I just fun, it was just running for me, pretty much. But after that, people started explaining to me and tell me that yeah, you can make a living off this and you can do this.
You succeed at last. I know that when we are doing this, we are helping the children, and it's one less criminal on the street.
The meaning of the Jamaican flag is black is for the black people. Yellow is for the sunshine. Green is for the green grass.
You can get it if you really want. You can get it if you really want.
Some of them might not even remember my name in the next 5 years as the coach, but they always remember Bolt, Simpson, Fraser, all these names.
You succeed at last.
I can promise you that I will do everything to try and harness that so that one day I can see you running on the world stage.
Some say Rasta is loser.
Bob Marley is a singer and Bolt is a runner, but in their respective fields, they have both achieved the heights of greatness. So yeah, that would be a good comparison.
No, so much come round, here come this way.
Bob Marley used to live just down the road here. And the whole Jamaica is proud of the runners, just as how they're proud of Bob Marley.
Rasta is naturality, the greatness, the whole joy of the earth and that we live. I feel good and joyful being Rasta from then, and I will be Rasta forever.
Everybody in Jamaica love what is going on.
We don't have to do what the Americans do. We don't have to take steroids or anything. We are just natural.